To actually dart that lion in that area was quite tricky. I mean, I ended up darting him at about 50 meters, which is quite tricky, especially with the dart. Luckily there was no wind blowing, it was a nice still morning. But it did take us a little bit longer than usual to actually capture him. That's why we got you there later than expected. But otherwise, once we got the dart in, it all worked well. We got him through, we got him into the crate. I reversed him in the crate so he was fully awake on relocation here. But just before we got here, we knocked him down again to facilitate the offloading.
In SANParks, we've actually developed a new approach to managing predators, and that approach is based on actually mimicking the natural social dynamics of these predators, rather than thinking that we know the solution of how many lions we can actually hold in a particular place. So for example, the male lions normally form a coalition, so in other words, two male lions would get together and they would establish a territory somewhere. And then if they come across other males, they would actually defend their territory against those other males.
Come away, back slowly. One. Come away slowly, come back down here. I think let's come away, back slowly. One. Come away slowly, come back down here.
Let's all go into the car now. He's getting reckless.